Hello everyone. I'm going to be showing a quick demo of the Agent Lifecycle Toolkit Evolve project. Evolve is a system that helps AI agents learn and get better over time. The way it works is shown in this figure. You have your agent that is running, and while it's running, it's emitting logs, and these logs include trajectories that are the steps that the agent took to complete the task. What Evolve does is that it examines these trajectories to extract useful insights about what worked well and what didn't go well. These insights are stored in a database, and the next time the agent runs, the relevant insights are loaded into the agent context so that it performs the task more effectively and more efficiently. There are many ways that you can run and use Evolve. For the demo today, I'm going to be showing an integration that we did with OpenAI Codex as a plugin. The task that we're going to be using is to figure out where this image was taken, in particular the GPS coordinates that are embedded in the image metadata. Let's start. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to be installing our plugin using our install script specifically for Codex, and then I'm going to be starting a container that has that plugin in it, and I want to basically go over and install that plugin. I'm getting out of Codex and restarting Codex, and the first thing that I'm going to be doing is creating a task of where was this photo taken, use EXIF metadata. You can see that the agent is actually taking steps to address the task. The agent completed, it found that the coordinates, and then it also found that it is in London, UK. And then I'm going to be asking it to summarize the step that it took, just for visualization. What are the included tools, what are the failed attempts, and what are the reasoning guidelines. You could see that it took a few steps and the reasoning guidelines that it followed. Now, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to be invoking the learn skill from the Evolve Lite plugin to examine the session and extract insights that can be useful in the future. You could see that it extracted 3 new guidelines and it saves them into Evolve entities. If we want to look at these files that are stored, they are stored as MD Markdown files in the entities guideline directory. And if we actually want to examine one of them, we could see that a guideline is basically each MD file consists of a type. In this case, it's a guideline, a trigger of when it should be executed, and some rationale around it. I'm going to be exiting this container, and then I'm going to start a new session. Now, what is common in this session is that the only thing that is going to be loaded in this case, it's going to be the Evolve guidelines folder. So we're going to go into Codex again, and we're basically going to enable the plugin. And now I'm going to be running a similar task, which is what is the focal length used to take the photo sample.gfc, JPEG, use EXIF metadata. So it did find that the focal length is 4.38 millimeters. Let me just again ask it to summarize and enumerate what steps it took, including whether it used any guidelines. I would love to hear your feedback. Please go to this repo, Agent Toolkit /ALTK-Evolve, and let us know what you think and what your experience is with it.